What's going on, guys? In this video I want to talk about two insane ChatGPT tricks that you can use for free to elevate your business and actually outsource your business without actually hiring a virtual assistant. So I'm going to talk about two awesome tricks that can help grow your business when building an Amazon FBA business. Okay, let's dive into it. So if you haven't used ChatGPT, for example, by the way, let me just run over quickly what it is. So it's an awesome bit of kit. All you do is type in, ask it anything in the world, ask it to create anything in the world, descriptions, bullet points, write you a book, write you an essay, whatever, it will do it. It's a crazy bit of kit and it just comes back in seconds. Go check it out if you haven't already. How you can use it for Amazon. This is how you can utilize it for Amazon, and what I've actually already done one of these a lot, okay, to utilize. And the first way that you can utilize ChatGPT and actually start outsourcing without actually hiring virtual assistants is actually get ChatGPT to actually create you the best titles, bullet points, and descriptions for your Amazon listing creations when you're starting out. And the way that you can do this is make sure you use whatever you're using, Cerebro, Helium 10, exactly whatever you're using to get your keywords. Once you've cultivated all of your keywords into a spreadsheet example, what I do is I'd say a little message to ChatGPT, okay? I say, write me a description for example, let's say an example, a dog lead carrier box, for example. And make sure you include all of these keywords. You then make sure your script includes every detail that you want in that description, the keyword, the bullet points, etc., etc. And then ChatGPT will actually write all of this down for you. Now, the main thing I use this for is the bullet points and is the description. The title I actually still do myself, just to make sure that I've got all their main keywords, the highest ranking keywords, the highest converting keywords, actually as the first keywords, but you could use it for the title as well. So that's the first way I do it. And this second way is not a way that I've heard many people talk about, but I heard an absolute expert talk about this and it was mind-blowing, and I'm just about to do this, okay? So another way that you can use ChatGPT is actually figuring out the issue with products, okay? So if you're launching a product, like I launch products for my brand, like some unique bundles that I launch, and under my brand, what I do is sometimes I'll have a look at the reviews before I launch a product, just to make sure what the issue is, just to check what the actual issue is with the products before I actually start launching that product, before I invest any more time, etc., into research onto that product. What I want to do is find out if that product has got any life form to it, if there's any potential for me to launch that product. And a good way to do that, a good way to actually figure out about launching a product, is actually by you taking all of them reviews out ChatGPT, taking all of them reviews, copying all the reviews, okay, and then putting them into ChatGPT. What you then want to do is ask ChatGPT if it can tell you the 3 biggest pain points this customer is having with that product. It will then shoot back to you straight away that the main 3 problems we're having with this product is, for example, this product seems to be faulty. 150 reviews have explained that this product is faulty, therefore you know to make a better quality product. The next review might say that the color didn't come in the color it said, therefore make sure yours is in the correct color. And you can use ChatGPT to actually figure out them little holes in this product that might just make you a lot better than them. Therefore you can actually rank your product. So that's 2 really powerful ways that I figured out how to use ChatGPT to help me grow my Amazon business. If this has been of value to you, make sure you check out the rest of my videos, like and subscribe. Hey guys, just a really quick note here just to say that Awesome is sponsoring this podcast. It's not even a podcast, it's a YouTube channel. They're sponsoring this YouTube channel, and below there's 2 links. One of them gives you 2 months free accounting, and I've been using them for ages and ages and ages. Awesome service, pardon the pun. Or the other link down there is just £12, and they will set up a limited company for you and a business bank account. So yeah, I've been using Awesome for a long time and I would recommend them. Anyway, let's get back to the video.